Hi friends, we are right now at the Hillsborough River. There's the river here. Wonder if there's an alligator out there. We don't know if there's an alligator, but there's a lot of bugs on the water. Alright, so let's walk around and see what else is out here. Look at the back, it's beautiful out here.
I see a grizzly bear and a crocodile.
What is that there?
It's a turtle.
There's a turtle? Oh, do you see that, Aiden?
Yeah.
There's a turtle on there. There it is, so cute. The sound of water. So nice and calming. Sounds so beautiful. So relaxing. Beautiful out there. Got a better view.
Of course it's a better view. Yeah, to get a view this way. What? Oh, get that shot.
Got that shot. That's beautiful. It is hot, but it's so worth it. It's so beautiful out here. The water on the other side. The trail right here. The water right there.
Seeing a real grizzly bear?
My son wants to see a bear. Listen to the sound of nature. The sound of Me too. I am tempted to go down there, but I'm not gonna go there. Listen to the sound.
Yeah.
Whoa, this is so cool. And these are the roots of that tree sticking out. Look at. Wow, and there's bugs everywhere. Wow.
All the way up, all the holes?
Oh yeah, the holes.